Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and after that go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have update firmware. Firmware version is the same as software, so just click on it. It checked for updates and it said that I had the last software version. If you haven't, right here you will see this circle with download or install. And you just tap on it and it will install for your update, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!